You see Swiper? What's Swiper say?
Dear present.
It's a present. Can you say, thank you, Aunt Holly? Say, thank you, Holly.
What is it?
What is it? You already know what it is. It's your Dora book. Can you say, thank you, Holly? What are you doing?
Oh no, I don't know.
Yeah, it's all done. There it is. There's your book. Can you read it? Yay, Dora book.
Find over.
Okay. Did you find her? Where is she?
Uh-oh.
Did you find Dora? Who's that?
Silver.
Uh-oh, it's Swiper. What do you say to Swiper?
Let's have it now. Oh, go.
Hey, Bundle.
What is it?
Can you say, thank you?
Thanks.